look at them Louis V boots, dog. Them bitches hard. Oh my goodness, Louis V.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy here, man. Boy, you tripping TV. Today we're gonna be unboxing a Louis Vuitton Waterfront Mule sandals. Let's get into it. See you guys. All right. You guys can see here. I have this beautiful box here. All detail for Christmas on both sides. Shout out to Louis Vuitton for that. Okay. We got it right here in this box. First, we gotta start off with this bag as well. Got one of those. And I got the receipt right here too as well. Alright, so let's get into it, shall we? Alright. So we got the custom belt here, pull it off. Ooh, let's actually put these on. I'm gonna do a video on these too, y'all gonna see them. These some new buffs, oh yeah. Heck yeah, check them boys out. 2 bands. My blood. Not the white sticks, but yeah. Okay, you got one right here. Other one right here. That's pretty much it in the box that you get. Okay. Standard box, not too bad. Okay. And the first one you get these dust bags here too. I think they're pretty cool. You got one that says Louis Vuitton. Then you got the sandal right here. See how the detail looks. Ah, smell fresh and everything. That's why I like the smell of everything being fresh. Check the bottom of the look at the shoes. It's one. And I like these bags here too. I think they're nice too as well. You can resell them and use them for anything. It don't matter. Here's right here, the other one. I got it in black Eclipse Monogram color, yeah. Because this is my favorite one. I like the black. I'm not gonna lie. These are nice. And I'm glad I got them. Yes. You can see a feet review. I'm about to put them on my feet right now for you guys. So you guys can see what they look like on the feet review. Because I know the feet. You guys need to check out the feet review. But yeah, make sure you guys go get you a pair. I'm the only YouTuber that's doing this video. I don't think anyone else did one like this at all. I went to the store you guys seen I did. Yeah, I'm gonna put them on my feet right now. Let's check them out.